But before we get started, there's a train. Choo-choo.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy. And today we are preparing to head into Glacier for an amazing day of hiking and adventuring and exploring and maybe even seeing a few wild animals.
There's just so many cool hikes in this area to do that sometimes we can't pick just one, so we just try to find as many as we can.
But before we head out, we are going to be making some flamin' hot breakfast bagel sandwiches.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone. Welcome back to Destination Delicious.
I don't know if one may consider this baby cravings or not, but we are getting pretty adventurous with our breakfast sandwiches today.
Our little baby's not even here yet, and they're already taking the blame for a lot of shenanigans.
I always say, the baby made me do it.
Yeah.
So today, the baby made us do it, and we are combining our bagel sausage sandwich with some flamin' hot Cheetos.
And we're actually trying to impart our love of spicy food to our baby before they even get here. So the first thing we're gonna do is get some sausage patties on the griddle. I've got our griddle set to medium-low, and I'm gonna make these patties extra thick so I can spread them out so they fill out our bagel. I find it easier to cut it in the packaging versus trying to remove the packaging and then cut it.
You also look like you're trying to keep your fingers as clean as possible.
I'm a clean cook, unlike my counterpart.
I'm the opposite of what a clean cook is.
Before I put the sausage on the griddle, I'm going to put just a little bit of oil down so I can use that on the bottom of my spatula, because when I spread out the sausage, I don't want it to stick to the bottom of the spatula.
While our sausage patties cook, I'm going to get our flamin' hot cream cheese mixture going. To get me started, I'm going to smash up a bunch of these flamin' hot Cheetos. I'm going to put them in a Ziploc baggie, and then I'm actually using a meat tenderizer. All right, fun part. If you haven't tried flamin' hot Cheetos, it is an absolute must, especially if you like a little bit of heat. All right, next up, we are going to mix our crushed Cheetos with our cream cheese, and we're using a whipped cream cheese because it's a lot easier for mixing.
While she's mixing that up, I'm going to check the sausage patties.
I'm just going to set our cream cheese flamin' hot Cheeto mixture to the side for a minute while I slice up our bagels and butter them up to get those on the griddle next.
We actually don't travel with a toaster in our RV. We have found that toasting bagels and English muffins on the Blackstone tastes far better anyway, so that's just kind of how we like to do it now. Well, I think you're more OCD than I am, but there are a few things that I'm OCD about, like your odd bagel configuration with the tops and bottoms on there. It's like,
I was trying to figure out those two go together, those two go together, and those two go together.
well, you could have just done top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom.
Could have. Alright, everything is cooked and ready, and now it is time to layer up our bagel sandwiches. Alright, next up is our cream cheese Cheeto concoction. Oh yeah. And then as our topper, we're going to add the Cheetos on top.
You ready to try? They look interesting.
They do, but I really believe that these are going to be absolutely amazing. That's really one thing that we do love.
The question is, do you believe that these are going to taste good? Because these are your fault.
I know you might be over there questioning this, but we're going to dive in. I'm pretty sure it's going to be delicious.
Okay.
Oh, I'm liking that. The sausage really does blend well with the cream cheese and the flaming hot flavor. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's got good
I really
meat.
like this.
The sausage is good.
Tons of texture and crunch.
Oh yeah, lots of crunch. Yeah,
I'm a fan.
that is good. Alright, well if you get adventurous on your Blackstone with a little slightly off the wall recipe, let us know in the comments below and tell us what kind of cooks you do that maybe a little bit outside the norm. We are going to go finish these sandwiches because they are fantastic. But thank you for watching, and Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss any of the videos from us or the other awesome cooks. There's a ton of different shows and awesome recipes. And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.